Good morning to all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. Now in today lecture of class 10th math, lecture 3rd of chapter 6 triangle. We will discuss the questions based on the basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. We already discussed BPT and converse of BPT in previous lecture, lecture 2nd में converse of BPT already we have discussed. Now in today lecture we will discuss some important question based on basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. So question is that first one, if in that triangle ABC, what is given to you? P is midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB and PQ is parallel to BC. Then what we will prove here? Q is also midpoint of AC, meaning is that AQ is equals to QC. Understand question? Students, question क्या given है? P is the midpoint of AB and PQ is parallel to BC. Then you will prove that Q is also midpoint of AC. That question we already proved in 9th class with the help of converse of midpoint theorem. But now we will prove here using the basic proportionality theorem. So students, how we will prove that? First of all, in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. So using basic proportionality theorem, using BPT, AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC, equation number first. But P is midpoint of AB, so AP is equals to PB. AP किसके इक्वल होगा? PB के इक्वल होगा. Or we can write down AP upon PB value. What will come? One equation number second. PB will come the downside of AP. So from equation first and second, what we are observing here, friends, in equation first AP upon PB, but in equation second, what is the value of AP upon PB? 1. Substitute the value. 1 equal AQ upon QC. So from here result is AQ is equals to QC. So Q is also midpoint of AC. Hence, understand? So students, question given क्या था आपको? That is the question number. ये एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. एक्सरसाइज 6.2 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर अप्रोक्सीमेट 6 या 7 है. P is the midpoint of AB. PQ is parallel to BC. Then how we will prove that Q is the midpoint of AC? With the help of BPT. Now another question देखो चेंजेस क्या करते हैं इसमें. In another question given to you, P and Q are midpoints of AB and AC. What we will prove here? PQ is parallel to BC. क्या प्रूफ करना है? Point P and point Q are the midpoints of side AB and AC. Then prove that the line which is joining these two midpoint is parallel to the third side. So students, how we will prove here? First of all, P is midpoint of AB or not? P is the midpoint of AB. So AP is equals to PB over AP upon PB is equals to 1. Equation number first. Second condition is that Q is midpoint of AC. So if Q is the midpoint of AC, then AQ is equals to QC. AQ upon QC 1. Equation number second. From equation first and equation second, what we are observing here? From equation first and equation second. In equation first also right hand side 1. In equation second also right hand side 1. So AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB किसके इक्वल है? AQ upon QC. Equation number third. Now in triangle ABC, AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. So using converse of BPT, if that divides it into the same ratio, then line PQ is parallel to BC. PQ किसके parallel होगा? BC के parallel. Understand? Any problem? So these are the two questions. Question number 8 and 9 here, 6 and 7. Same concept. In first question, one is midpoint. Line is parallel to another line. Then how we will prove that remaining is also midpoint? Second question में क्या given है? Both are midpoints. Then you will prove that the line joining the midpoints is parallel to the third side. These are the important question. Okay. Next question देखो. Next question is, in a trapezium ABCD, in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and whose diagonals are intersect to each other at point O, then prove that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. So in question given to students, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and whose diagonals are intersect to each other at point O. Then prove that AO upon BO equals CO upon DO. So how we will prove? First of all, ABCD is a trapezium and we know in trapezium one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Given write करो. Given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. What we will prove here? AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. And these diagonals are intersect to each other at point O. Now here we will require the construction. And in construction part, what we will do? We will draw a line EO. Draw a line EO which is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. Now proof part. First of all, EO is parallel to AB. Then EO is also parallel to CD because AB is parallel to CD. EO parallel AB के, so EO is also parallel to CD. So in proof part, in triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC, then using basic proportionality theorem, what we observing here, AE upon AD is equals to AO upon OC. Equation number first. Triangle ADC में क्या स्टूडेंट्स, EO is parallel to DC, so we will apply here the BPT. And what is the statement of BPT? It divides it into the same ratio. AE upon AD is equals to AE upon OC. Equation first. Second one, now in triangle, second triangle, which triangle? DAB. Triangle DAB. In DAB, EO is parallel to AB. Then again using BPT. If EO is parallel to AB, then again using BPT. So from here what we conclude that DE upon EA is equals to DO upon OB. In equation first, student, left hand side is AE upon ED, whereas in that result left hand side is D upon EA, meaning is that both are reciprocal. So to make the equate, we will do again the reciprocal. Reciprocal on both sides. So reciprocal on both sides, AE upon ED is equals to BO upon DO. Equation number second. From equation first and second, what we are observing here? From equation first and equation second, their left hand side are equal or not? So right hand side also equal. Equation first में left hand side क्या है? AE upon AD. In equation second also left hand side AE upon AD. So their right hand side must be equal. So AO upon OC, BO upon DO. Now interchanging the value, AO upon BO will come here and OC will go there. AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. Hence proof. ये proof करना था. So if trapezium is given to you and these diagonals are intersecting to each other at point O, then how we will prove? That also divided it into the same ratio. Firstly, using the construction, we make the triangle. After making the triangle, we will apply the BPT. With the help of BPT, we can obtain the required result. Understand? Any problem? Now next question is next question given to you students, that is just opposite. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO, whose diagonals are intersects to each other at point O. Then prove that ABCD is a trapezium. What is given to you? ABCD is a quadrilateral whose diagonals are intersecting to each other at point O. Then what we will prove here? ABCD become the trapezium. So first of all, write down the given part. In quadrilateral ABCD, AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. Quadrilateral ABCD. Diagonals intersect to each other at point. To prove, what we will prove here? ABCD is a trapezium. That is AB is parallel to CD. So आपको क्या प्रूफ करना होगा? AB किसके पैरेलल होगा? CD के. Because if in quadrilateral we prove that their one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then given quadrilateral is a trapezium. Construction. In construction, draw a line EO which is parallel to DC. Okay, that is EO is parallel to DC. EO DC के parallel है. So what is our work? We will prove that EO is also parallel to AB. So understand what is our primary work? EO is parallel to DC आपने consider कर लिया. क्या proof करोगे? EO is parallel to AB. Proof part. First of all, in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. Then using the theorem of basic proportionality theorem, AE upon ED is equals to AO upon OC. Equation number first. But what result is given to you in question? AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. Value interchange करवाओ. AO upon OC equals to BO upon DO. Equation number second. आपको गिवन क्या है? AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. After interchanging the values, we obtained AO upon CO is equals to BO upon DO. Now, from equation first and equation number second, what we are observing here? Equation first में देखो क्या given है students? AE upon ED equals to AO upon OC. Equation second में AO upon OC is equals to BO upon DO. Here also AO upon OC, here also AO upon OC. So their remaining sides are equal or not? Remaining sides क्या बनेगी? Equal बनेगी. So AE upon ED is equals to BO upon DO. AE upon ED is equals to AE upon ED is equals to BO upon DO. But we want to prove here that DE upon EA is equals to DO upon BO because EO is parallel to AB. So what we will do? Reciprocal on both sides. Reciprocal on both sides. Why we are doing here reciprocal? Because आपको क्या प्रूफ करना है? EO AB की पैरेलल होनी चाहिए. So with the help of converse of BPT अप्लाई करने के लिए आपके पास रिजल्ट क्या आना चाहिए स्टूडेंट? DE upon EA, but here AE upon AD. So DE upon EA is equals to DO upon OB. Reciprocal कर लिया. Then we obtain the result. Now in triangle DAB, DE upon EA is parallel to DO upon OB. So using converse of BPT, using converse of BPT, EO is parallel to AB. EO किसके पैरेलल प्रूफ कर दिया आपने? AB. नाउ इन कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या कंसिडर किया आपने? EO इज पैरेलल टू DC. प्रूफ पार्ट में क्या कर दिया? EO इज पैरेलल टू DC, बट EO is parallel to DC already. So what we conclude here, AB is parallel to DC. So ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD क्या बनेगा? Trapezium. So understand, that is the converse of that question. ABCD is a quadrilateral is given to you, in which its diagonal are intersecting to each other in such a result AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. Then what we prove here, ABCD is the trapezium. Given है कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या किया है, let if EO is parallel to DC, then proof क्या करोगे? EO is also parallel to AB. EO आपने DC के पैरेलल प्रूफ कर लिया, कंसिडर किया, क्या प्रूफ करोगे? EO AB के पैरेलल प्रूफ कर दिया. EO DC के पैरेलल आपने लिया है, EO को AB के पैरेलल प्रूफ कर दिया, then AB is parallel to CD. That work we do with the help of converse of BPT. So that is the all about the question which is based on BPT and converse of BPT. That is all about the exercise 6.2. So after watching that video, all students complete till exercise 6.2. In next lecture, we will discuss the exercise 6.3, which is based on the similarity criteria of the triangle. How we will prove that given two triangles are the similar, that we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.